Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances because we've got something for all you budding bakers and culinary enthusiasts out there. That's right, it's the moment you've been waiting for, the top 5 stand mixers of 2023. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest updates. Alright, let's whip up some excitement. First up, we've got the ever-reliable KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer, priced between $300 to $400, a solid choice for most home chefs. It boasts a timeless design that looks good in any kitchen, and with its powerful 325-watt motor, it can handle heavy dough and thick batters with ease. Plus, the versatility shines through with a range of attachments available, from pasta making to meat grinding. On the downside, while the mixer itself is reasonably priced, the add-on attachments can be a bit expensive. Additionally, it's a bit on the heavy side, so moving it around might require some muscle. To top it off, KitchenAid offers a generous 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Next on our list is the Breville BEM825BAL stand mixer, priced between $450 to $550. It's known for its innovative features, including the unique scraper whisk that ensures everything gets mixed evenly, and it operates quietly, sparing you from waking up the entire house. However, it's on the pricier side, so it might not fit every budget. Also, it's a bit bulkier than some other models, so make sure you have enough counter space. Breville stands by its products, offering a generous 5-year warranty, and it's equipped with an easy-to-use LCD display for precise control. Moving on, we have the Cuisinart SM50, a budget-friendly option priced between $150 to $200. This mixer is perfect for those looking for a reliable, affordable option. It's built to last with a sturdy die-cast metal construction and is backed by a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. However, it's not ideal for larger batches or heavy-duty tasks, and some users find it a bit noisy, especially when handling tough dough. Up next, we have the Hamilton Beach Eclectrics all-metal stand mixer, which comes in at a very wallet-friendly price range of $100 to $150. If affordability is your top priority, this mixer delivers. Its compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens, and it's a breeze to clean thanks to its all-metal construction. On the downside, with a 400-watt motor, it may struggle with heavy loads, and it has limited attachments compared to other brands. Hamilton Beach backs it up with a 3-year warranty. Last but certainly not least, we have the Smeg SMF02 stand mixer, priced between $500 to $600. This mixer is a showstopper with its stunning retro design from the 1950s. It's versatile, offering a wide range of speeds and attachments for various culinary tasks, and it's known for its durability. However, it comes with a hefty price tag, making it less accessible to some buyers. Like the KitchenAid, it's a bit on the heavy side, which could be a drawback for some users. Smeg provides added assurance with a 4-year warranty. So there you have it, our top 5 stand mixers of 2023, along with their pros and cons. Each one has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that fits your needs and budget the best. And remember, warranties can be a lifesaver, so always check the warranty details before making your final decision. If you want to learn more about any of these stand mixers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy baking and mixing, folks!